As your mortgage advisor, we want to make sure you get the most out of your mortgage appointment. There are a few things you can do to prepare for it so that we can help you find the most suitable mortgage to potentially save you money across the term of your mortgage. It's our job to find the best deal for your budget and circumstances and to help you avoid being on a standard variable rate. We'll look at what your current lender can offer, but also at the thousands of other mortgage products that are out there. We'll look at your current circumstances and what your future needs might be too. So, to help us do this, make sure you have your last 3 wage slips and your last 3 months bank statement to hand. And it's not just your mortgage we can help with. We'll also check any mortgage-related insurance products you have in place should you become critically ill or injured. It's likely that your circumstances and needs will have changed since your last mortgage review. And our job is to make sure everything is up to date, offers you value for money, and it is still fit for purpose. It will be helpful if you can also give us details of any savings, workplace benefits, and insurance policies you have, so we can make sure they're working for you as well as they can. So, you can rest assured that we're here to help, because our job is to help you remortgage your home and stay in it.